In this video, I will show you how to post on Beehiiv. So if you want to post and send an email to your audience, then first you will of course need an audience. So just add in your audience by going to audience here and then click grow your list and import your subscribers. Then once you've done that, from the dashboard here in the top right, you can click on start writing, and from here you will see post settings, title, subtitle, author, etc. So from here you can simply go and create your own post, and then you can schedule it, save the template, send it, preview it. So that is the post, but you can also do an email, you can do a website page, you can do something for SEO and for delivery right here. But if you just want to create a post, just click on post right here and then enter the post details and go and schedule it. For example, publish now, and then click review and then click publish now, and then you have published this post. So now you know how to create a post on Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.